Hi guys, tonight I'm looking like a bald person. But we're gonna be making banana bread, and this is recipe. I will link the website in the bottom down there. So you need 3 bananas, and I'm using these really gross looking bananas because they're supposed to be mushed up, and apparently banana bread's good when you're using old mushy ones like this. Because I already put one in there. Ugh. I might put, like, it said do 4 to get really good bread, so I might put a good one in there as well. Just so it's really good, you know? But this is all the ingredients we need. I'll show them here. And then vanilla extract, salt, baking soda, sugar, granulated sugar, and flour. And then 2 beaten eggs, which I haven't got out yet, but I'm getting there. So let's start making this. So I'm gonna, first thing first, get the bananas in there. It's really gross. They feel so mushy. Ugh. 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 This is disgusting. Oh, they're so mushy. These are long bananas. Maybe I don't need to use a 4th one. Okay. Those should be pretty easy to mush. They're already mush. So I'll just get a spoon or fork. Maybe fork's better. A spoon and just. Yep, that's really mushed. Just mush them more. So you can see what I'm doing. I could use better lighting, but alright, I'll do that. Okay, so we sprayed the pan, preheat the oven to 350, soften the butter. Now you add the 1 cup of sugar to the butter and cream it together. So now it is creamed together. I'm going to add the banana and eggs. The eggs and the bananas. Mixed. I'm going to stir it a little more, and then I'm going to add this banana as well. So that's what it looks like. Kind of looks like barf, but this is my first time doing it, so I have no idea what I'm doing. But now we're going to add the other stuff. There's 3 crushed bananas, if you didn't know, and then I think it was 1 cup of sugar, a stick of butter, or like a half cup, and then also 2 beaten eggs that I put in here so far. Now I'm about to take flour. I'll tell you the exact amount, or it's on the recipe. Here I have 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. And then we're gonna mix this together. Probably just use this. And it says to shift this, but since my stuff is already, like, the flour is really already so light, it's probably already shifted. I'm not gonna shift it. I don't even know if I have a shifter, so we'll work with it. Now we just add this mixture into the banana mixture, and then I think we add an optional 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So obviously I'm gonna add that. I think that's after you mix this part in. I'll check the recipe to make sure. But yeah, our oven is already at 350, so that's good. Well, let's get checking. Okay. This is smelling really good. Now adding the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that in, and then we'll get her into our pan and into the oven. That smells so good. Mix it in. It says clearly not to mix too much, just until it's combined. And now we gotta put it in our pan. And our pan happens to be, it's supposed to be a bread pan. Well, ours is gonna be a fish bread pan. Make sure you spray it. I already sprayed it. Kind of melted down to the middle. But this is the only thing we had because we moved into a new house. And yeah, so I'm gonna get all this excess out and I'm gonna pour it in there. And then we'll put it in the oven for about 50 minutes and just keep an eye on it. Depends on the oven, how hot it is. This has already been at 350 for a while because I was making it, so I'll go by smell and then by look and test it out, see how it works. Okay, the fish is ready to go in for the oven for a swim. Okay, she'll be in there for about 350. No, I mean 50 minutes. In the fridge overnight, because I wasn't gonna eat it last night, so I'm gonna test it now. Oh, it smells really good. That is so good. Oh my gosh. That's better than I thought it would be. That's so good. It's so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Try this at home. Try it at home. Try it. It's so good.